what have descended over my house this evening. A flock of birds. Look like rainbirds.